Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a mojito using a blender. First, gather your fresh mint leaves, lime wedges, and simple syrup. Place these ingredients into your blender. Now, here's the key: use the pulse function. This gently muddles the mint and lime, releasing their flavors without overprocessing. We want to bruise the mint, not shred it, for that perfect, refreshing taste. This method saves time and effort, giving you a delicious mojito quickly. Next, it's time to add the spirit of our mojito. Carefully pour in your favorite white rum, along with an extra splash of fresh lime juice for that zesty kick. Then, fill your blender with a good amount of ice cubes. We're not making a slushie here, so again, use the pulse function. Just a few quick pulses will combine everything beautifully, chilling the mixture without completely pulverizing the ice. This keeps our drink crisp and refreshing. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Seriously, go darn tough. They come with a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you. You can find the link for those amazing socks, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the final adjustments. Give your mixture a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more simple syrup and pulse once more to combine. Once it's perfect, pour the blended mojito base into your chosen serving glass. The last step is to top it off with some crisp club soda or sparkling water. This adds that delightful fizz and lightens the drink, making it incredibly refreshing and ready to enjoy. To make your mojito look as good as it tastes, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh sprig of mint, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, and a thin lime wheel perched on the rim are perfect. Serve your mojito immediately to ensure it's at its peak chill and flavor. There you have it, a perfectly blended, refreshing homemade mojito, ready to impress your friends or simply treat yourself. Cheers to easy, delicious drinks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.